So while most of the attention in the market has been focused around Palantir, quantum computing and AI stocks, right now I see Precigen as probably the best investment opportunity at the moment. It's been trading between $1.67 and $2 over the last month, but now analysts have set a price prediction of between $6 and $7 for this stock, which you can see right here. And the reason is that PGEN 2012, which is the top treatment in Precigen's portfolio, could soon be approved by the FDA. It could be Precigen's first ever approved treatment, which is why we could see the share price spike significantly. And this actually happened to me with a previous stock called Immunity Bio, which you can see right here. I invested at a price of 1.31 before the approval of their first treatment by the FDA. And after approval of their first treatment, the share price spiked to almost $9, which you can see right here. And so back to Precigen, you can see it reads, FDA grants priority review to Precigen's BLA for PRGN 2012 with PDUFA target action date set for August 27th, 2025. And so effectively August 27th, 2025 is that critical date. It could be on the 27th exactly, or it could be a date thereabout. So it's kind of worth just keeping an eye out in and around that time to see whether the treatment PRGN 2012 has actually been approved by the FDA. And so according to the price predictions I mentioned, it looks like Precigen has the potential to 5 or 6x, let's just say. One thing to note about PRGN 2012, the treatment Precigen are developing, is it's actually been given priority review by the FDA simply because the disease that it addresses, RRP, I won't go into details about that, I've done that in previous videos, does not have any actual treatment available in the market currently. You can see from the press release on the Precigen website that it states, priority review reduces the BLA review timeline to 6 months and is granted to therapies that, if approved, would provide significant improvements in the treatment, diagnosis, or prevention of serious conditions. If approved, PRGN 2012 would be the first and only FDA-approved therapy for eligible patients with RRP, a rare and devastating chronic disease for which the current standard of care is repeated surgeries. And so if you're new to investing in early stage pharmaceutical companies or biotech companies, you've probably heard that they're incredibly volatile, and that's absolutely true. But I think one of the key investment strategies that I employ is I'm always looking to invest with industry heavyweights. I'm always looking for biotech, early stage biotech companies or pharma companies that have a high level of inside ownership. Like I said, with these, industry titans, pharmaceutical titans. I mentioned in my recent video about quantum computing and Yuping Huang, where I said that, when I'm investing in the mind of the owner operator, the individual with high inside ownership of that said company. And it's exactly the same case whether it's quantum computing with Yuping Huang and Quantum Computing Incorporated, or the pharma companies or biotech companies. I'm always looking to align with a very specific individual, and I'll do a lot of research around the specific individual to look at their background, And this is exactly what I did with Immunity Bio, where the majority shareholder is Patrick Soon-Shiong, and it's what I've done when investing in Precigen as well with Randal Kirk. Both of these individuals have a proven track record of building out pharmaceutical companies in the past. And so when they start their new project, when I'm talking about project, I'm referring to Immunity Bio, when Patrick Soon-Shiong started Immunity Bio and when Randal Kirk started Precigen, I'm looking at those two companies and I'm banking on the fact that these individuals are experts, that they've potentially done this 2, 3, perhaps even 4 times in the past of starting a pharmaceutical company from scratch with no treatments in their pipeline, all the way to developing them into fully fledged pharmaceutical companies with at least 1 treatment. And it's why both of these individuals, Patrick Soon-Shiong and Randal Kirk, have both amassed fortunes in the pharmaceutical industry. You can see right here, the amount of money, they're both billionaires. And so going back to this point that I made around investing in the mind of the individual, Patrick Soon-Shiong and Randal Kirk have intimate knowledge of the pharmaceutical industries, whether it's the process that they need to go through in order to develop new treatments and take them through the numerous stages that are needed, to how to raise capital in the markets, to cash out and make their personal fortunes as well. And a lot of these things are things that are kind of outside my remit, but I'm banking on this knowledge, on the fact that these individuals are both experts. So I'm always looking for experts, whether it's, in whichever industry, whether it's quantum computing, whether it's pharmaceutical, and I'm aligning with those individuals, those experts. And effectively, I'm almost banking on the fact that because they have this track record, this history, this record of being able to do this over and over and over again, that I'm almost hedging my bets on, the likelihood of them being able to do this again in the future. But look, that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching. Naturally, I'll keep you updated because the stock market is always changing. And as soon as I find new opportunities, I'll let you know on this channel. Take care, all the best.